Today we had a wonderful project. We hope that one can be an inspiration to you try at home, maybe for yourself or for any gift you're planning to give. Hello, I'm Adriana and I'm a half of this channel. The another half is my daughter Daniela. Let's start. We have here 3 pieces. One of them can be cotton, the another can be flannel or can be fleece. And one is the batik. One of the fabric, the print need to go against to the another fabric that usually is a cotton. Now I'm going to the machine to sewing around the edge and leaving at opening around 5 inches. So we can turn inside out. So we will start sewing in one of the sides a little bit after we will leave in the opening. It's important to leave in an enough margin so we're not sewing too close to the edge. After we sewing, we can see parts like that when one of the fabric was a little more large of the cotton, so we can cut all the excess. For cutting the buttons, that's good. Use it any paper scissors, and we leave in the fabric for fabrics, and that way we keep our scissors working more longer. After we done, we will make a small cuts in the corner, just cuts a little bit. Then from the opening where the fabric facing, we will take both. We're going to look one of the corners and bring the fabric to the front, and we start to do the same with all the mats. Sometimes we have to help us with some tools to bring all the corners out. And this one I make it very special for a special cat that her name is Blanquita. And that one is so cute. Let me change here. We can see all the little faces, cat faces, different colors, so colorful. And now we're going to the opening that we have here. We will put a pin just to be sure we will close it later. Then we will mark it approximately 3 inches from the edge around the mat, and this one is with the idea to make more cushion for her and look more nicely. When we sewing, we try to keep this opening, same opening in the interior. So we will sewing just from here to the edge and from the another side, but not in the middle. And that way it'll be easy for us to put a little catnip inside. Okay, let's start. This is a wonderful project. You can make it for your cat as a gift, just to put it in your favorite chair or in her favorite chair, maybe near to the window, so she can enjoy the day and had a really nice mat. We had this opening here, and what we will do is sewing separate. First one side close to the edge, and after another side close to the edge, and then we can put it a plastic snap. For closing the gap, we have here hand pressure, 1 ash for the hole, 2 little cup, 1 stud, and 1 socket. First step, we had to decide where we're going to place it. With this tool, can be easy to make a hole in both of the fabric. After we do that, we can take one of the cup and put it in the hole. Take the another cup and put it in the another hole, always facing outside. You can see the little thing coming here inside of the fabric. When we had this one, we can place both of them. They had a different form. We place one in one side and the another in the another side. We take our tool and we will place it right here between these two parts. We will give a pressure a couple times and we will do the same with the another side. And we can open to place some catnip and we can close it. It gives to your cat to enjoy. This is something you can watch her many times you need, and this is something they can enjoy for a long time. And this is how look our project. You can use it for both sides. I'm pretty sure your pet will be enjoying, and if you want to give as a gift, any of your friends' pet will be very, very happy. Thank you for watching. Please, you get a like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video right here.